First, cut the tip of the cucumber. Second, rub the cucumber with the tip of the cucumber so it's not bitter. Third, peel off the cucumber skin. Fourth, chop the cucumber into 2 parts. Fifth, mince the cucumber. Sixth, insert the minced cucumber into the glass. Seventh, insert however much syrup you want into the glass. Eighth, insert water into the glass. Ninth, mix it all together. 10th, insert ice into the glass. Eleventh, add decorations to make it more appealing. That's all. Thank you for watching.